Boom, bad people. Got to jump back in real quick, guys. It's looking like it's going to break the support, you know. So welcome to the Wolf of Tottenham, where discipline beats emotions and patience beats pressure. Let's break down the charts, look for opportunities, and let the market come to us. Disclaimer, this is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. Trade at your own risk and do your own research. Boom, back in real quick, car. It's looking like it's about to break. See, I was waiting for it for hours. But it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. You know what I'm saying? It's coming, bro. Quick. So, this is the support line there, what you lot can see. I'm just waiting for it to break this. I'm going to jump in. Real quick. See what it's doing. And that's the hour time frame I'm looking on right now. Let's see what it's doing on the 5 minute. It's at the trend line. It's right on my support. It wants to break still. It's having a minor pullback. See, it went through, touched the support. This is what you want. It went through, break the support, rejected. Now the next time it comes back through, it's gonna go. I'm gonna fly in at that. You know what I'm saying? I just jump back in so you look can see it. Make you look see a trade real quick, you know what I'm saying? Make you look see a trade real quick, blood. See? It's looking like it's gonna come back through again now. See it there? See it there, see it there. This is what we're waiting for. This is what we've been waiting for. Back to the 1 hour. Yeah. As soon as it breaks that support there and starts flying, I'm coming in. Quick. Quick and fast. You see that? Come on. No games. Last class it over there. Bomba break. Yo, where's the thing, blood? Meta trader 5. What's that? 45. What's my support at? 44. That's what we're doing on a 5 minute. Alright, if we enter this. Yeah, we're gonna enter, you know. See how it goes. Guys, broke it. We enter that what? 40, 46. So stop loss 50 pips down. Say stop loss at 41. It's flying up, man. As you can see, it's flying up. Stop loss at 41. 50 pips down. Lower 41. Lower 40. It's going, man. It's going. As you can see, bad people. It's going. As you can see, it's broke my support, like I said. And it's going. Gotta have patience, don't make it fly, man. Let's see what it does now. We're in though. We jumped in at 46. It's having a minor pullback. Might just touch and retest my entry at 46 and then fly back up and see what it's doing on a 5 minute. Yeah, man. In a good position, man. In a good position. So, I've only gone in on a small lot size car. You know? I ain't being greedy right now. But I'm in though. Let me see something. Potentially this could fly up to all 81s and further. A whole heap of pips that if I jumped in at 46, 81, that's at 300 and something pips. You know? Sometimes it's about risk management too. Sometimes it's not about going in on a heavy lot size to make all the money in the world. Sometimes it's about going in on a small lot size, 50 pips, your stop loss, and you chase hundreds of pips, bro. God, the more 100 pips. You know what I'm saying? On the lot size I've gone in, I can make hundreds anyway, because it's going to fly up, so I'm just going to hold this, maybe to 80. If I see it break 81, I'll hold on. Maybe take it up to 113. Let's see how it goes. Having a pullback now. Remember, this thing here, yeah, it goes, but it has pullbacks. I'm on the 1 minute. That's the wrong thing to be looking at. Yeah, it goes, but it has pullbacks. You know what I'm saying? definitely has pullbacks. Every move, remember that. Every move has to have pullbacks. Like, so when you jump in, I jumped in at 46. It's at 47 right now. It went up to what? 48? But it could have pullbacks back to my entry, 46. Don't panic. Just remember your stop loss is 50 pips on where you entered. Yeah? So I entered at 46. My stop loss is at 41. But I put it at 40 just to be safe. You know what I'm saying? So now we just wait and watch it ride, blood. And see how it goes. I'm in though. As you can see, if you can see that. I'm in. You know what I'm saying? Minor profit right now. But when it goes properly, you'll see the money rise up. But next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get my MetaTrader 5 on the screen. So soon, give me some time. Cause we're getting new to this, but give me some time. Maybe the next couple of times I come in, you start seeing my trades on the screen. Cause I'm going to get my MetaTrader on the screen. Not for now, it's on my phone. But we're in it, man. Let's see what it does. It's going slowly but surely. I jumped in 46, what, 47. It'll break, man. It'll go, man. Just have to be patient. See this thing, I keep saying it. All heap of patience, and this is not fun, but it's hot, blood. You know, burn out, bad boy. Some breeze, blood. Whole heap of breeze coming out them Dyson fan there, blood. But yeah, 48, 20 pips up. Small thing. This is one man's holding though. Cause like I said to you, look. Let me go back to, I'm on the 5 minute right now. Let me go back to the hour. Like I said, it's broke the support many of times. In the last video, I went into it and it broke it all 16, 17 times and more. So I guaranteed now this is going to go. This is just an easy way of trading. Easy way of making some bread. You get me? Support and resistance. Easy. Simple thing. Yeah? But now we just got to wait for it to go. I'm back on the hour. I know it's guaranteed to go to 81 and even more. What I'm due to do, take it to 81 and partially take some money and then ride it all the way to 4113. By the grace of God, is in me. Because anything we do, we put God involved, you know. First of all. You know what I mean? Yeah, blood. So we're in, man. Like I said, we're in at 46. It's messing about at 47, 48, but you got to give it time to fly up. So we're here, patiently. And with you lot bad people. I look for Belcher, some bad people money. Some legal money. Yeah, blood. You know what I'm saying? Don't worry, man. You're going to see the outcome, man. You're going to see the outcome, blood. You know what I'm saying? Sniper entry. That's what it's about, too. Catching some sniper entries. And just riding it and belching out effortlessly. Last video, I was showing you a lot about this support and when it breaks it, what I'm going to do. So it broke it, so I just jumped back in again quickly. Don't know how long ago the other one was, maybe a couple hours ago. But yeah, we're back in, man. It broke it, we're back in. Just messing about at 48 and all the numbers there, but we got patience, man. That's the thing with trading. Once you're in, you got to just hold tight, and let it do its magic, you know what I'm saying? But don't get twisted. You see the charts? A winning trade could turn into a losing trade. And a losing trade could turn into a winning trade. Remember, no one operates. This does its own thing. You know? We're just here for it, to work with it. And belch out some money. But whatever it does, we take it with a smile. Like I said to you, risk management's important. Yeah? And discipline's even more important. So say, for example, I take 2 trades and I lose. I'm done for the day. I look off my computer and I go back to reality, bro. You know what I'm saying? 3 winning trades, same thing. Look off my computer and go back to reality. So sometimes you don't have to risk a lot of money, you know, and try get rich overnight. Cause the more you risk, the more you can lose. You know what I'm saying? The less you risk, the less you can lose. But from you going for serious pips, like hundreds or 1,000 pips, it don't even matter the lot size you have. You could be on the lowest lot size and you're going for 1,000 pips, you're still going to see hundreds. Or, you know what I'm saying? Like, sometimes it's just about the balance in life in general. Everything's about a balance, innit? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, like I said to you, more time man's going for three to ones and 4 to 1. So whatever I'm risking, I'm going for 4 times that. But certain times I'm risking £10, £20, £50. I'm making 500, 60. It depends. Like, so you want overall, cause what you risk £20 to make 500, 400. Like, but risk is important, man. Like, look what it's doing now. I'm on a 5 minute. It's having a pullback. Yeah, it's having a pullback. I jumped in here, 46. It's pulled back. It's rejected. It's gone to 49. Yeah, 49, and it's rejected back to 46. But this is what it does. Every move's got pullbacks. So it might even touch my entry, or it might even want to touch the top of this support here, back at 4044. It's called pullbacks, man. You know what I'm saying? Every move has to pull back. You know what I'm saying? Trust me. Drawdown, we call it. When it draws down past you, where you enter, you're in drawdown. You're in drawdown, it's looking like you're losing money, but it's nothing, bro. Don't panic. Don't be scared. It's hold tight, be patient, understand your strategy and the move, and believe in your thing, and it'll work out. But like I said, I entered at 46, and it's pulled back. It's gone to 49 and pulled back down to 46. I'm not panicking. It's at 45, 46, hovering around. See what it does. See what it does. The main thing is we're above the support. That's the main thing. We're above this trend line there, and we're above the support. So even if it taps back into this and rejects, I'm still good, and it flies off from there. But it's what it does more time. No move just goes. Unless it's a breakout and it's going, it will go. But more time it goes up 30, 40 pips, rejects, come back down to your entry, and then goes. Like it's just done now. Gone up to 49, come back down to 46. Now it's looking like on a 5 minute, like it wants to go now. Are you seeing it's gone up? 49, come back down, red candle, back to my entry. That's the next thing. You see trading, some batik, like the man, they love touch up people entries. Why for that boy? Love touch up your entry, blood. You know what I mean? Yeah, like the man them running this, love play with people, blood. Like on the other side, you know what I'm saying? Like on the other side, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, blood. Love come back and touch up people's entry and then go and all them foolishness there. But we're not scared, but we don't get frightened. We believe in our strategy and we hold tight, blood. And just let the magic work, blood. Yeah. Effortlessly. So yeah, like I said, we jumped in at 46. It's at 40. Yeah, it went to 49. We drifted back down to my entry like some Y business. Now we're back at 48 on a green candle above the support, above my trend line. We're in a good place, man. Let's see what's doing on the hour. Yeah, man. Just need to run now. Just need to have some patience and watch it run, as we're gonna do. Cause we're there, though. We're there, man. We're there, blood. We're already in, blood. We're just waiting for it to bolt up now, blood. That's why I have to just jump back in so you look can see, blood. You know what I'm saying? Patience is everything, man. Have a little patience and watch this thing do its thing, blood. But like I said, we're in a good position, man. We're above the support. I had this little pullback already. Let's see what it does, man. Let's see what it does, man. But like I said, no fright in the business right now. Whatever it does, we're in it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, blood. Not scared of cat business around here, blood. I got this thing I love fake out the move, make you feel like it's gonna come and knock you out and make you jump out and then fly up and do exactly what you want it to do. The man that scaredy cats and them thing, the same for them, bro. You have to be solid. And don't say, yeah, I believe in my strategy. We hold tight regardless of what it does. Yeah? Just giving man money or taking money. We're not business bad, boy. Why? Because we have it down. This thing I can't done, blood. The money's forever, blood. The money can't done, blood. Money can't done, bad boy. So we're in it, blood. Said thing I'm saying it likes doing. Going, pulling back, going. At the minute, it's just playing around at 48, 49, back to 47, 46. It's just playing around. To be honest, it's like it's consolidating above the support before it breaks out and goes, you know what I'm saying? As it does. Can't let that frighten you. It's got to just hold tight and wait. And believe in your strategy. Believe in your greatness, you know what I'm saying? Because we're great round here, blood. The winning team done. Yeah, blood. Winning team, blood. So we just wait and win, blood. With patience. Like I said, sometimes it takes its time, man. Sometimes it takes its time, blood. I'm looking on the 5 minute and it's taking its time. It's back to my entry again. Why fed up? But it's back to my entry, blood. So sometimes that's what it does. I got pull up 30 pips, 20 pips, 40 pips, pull back down to your entry. That's why it's not good to go break even so early. Because imagine I jumped in at 46 like I did, and it went to 49, and me thinking, yeah, let me go to break even, so I'm in a risk-free trade. So I put my stop loss at 46. It would just come back from 49 and tap me out, as it does. And then you're out the trade. And really, what you do, you don't be scared. You just keep your 50 pips stop loss, 50 to 60 pips stop loss, and you just hold tight, bro. Until for me to go break even, I'll have to be up like at least 100 pips. So if I'm up 100 pips in profit, I'll go break even. You know what I'm saying? Trust me. But until then, I'll just hold tight. Because one thing I know about this thing, they love tap up your entry, you know. I don't know what I'm to this trading thing, but that's one thing I know it likes to do is touch up people's entry, blood. Why for that? But yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, blood. And I have to be patient, blood. And have a whole heap of discipline and stay strong. Stamp on man's feet. Sturdy. You know what I'm saying? No wavering business. No scaredy cat business. Because look now, we're back at 48. You look can see what I can see, you know. Right, yes, up. We are watch. Yeah. So you're seeing what it's been doing. We're back at 49 again, you know what I'm saying? It just need to fly now, bad boy. Fly now and give them some money, dog. We're here for it, man. We have patience, man. Whole heap of patience, man. See what he's saying in the hour, man. For me personally, I reckon by the time it touches 50 breaks, 54 is gonna fly. Cause that's the breaker structure. At 54, I put an alert there. At 54, 53, 54, that's the breaker structure. If I fly from there, from it breaks this breaker structure here, you should just keep going, bro. Keep going. Up to 81. It's got potential of breaking all 81 and going to 4112, 4113. I'll be coming out by then. Any of it does that, I'm out. But I'm gonna hold until it, and when it gets to 81, I'm gonna see the reaction. I might partially take half the money, and then just watch it fly up to all 411, 30, 4113. So 4,113. At the minute it's at 4048, $4,048 an ounce. And climbing. Remember, I jumped in at 4,046. You know? So, I watch it play out, man. I watch it play out. Like I said, we're in profit right now. Not much. But we're what, 20 pips up? We're in profit. Not much, because I've gone in on a small lot size, but smaller than what I normally go in. But it's going to fly. Like I said to you, if it goes to the numbers I'm looking at, like 81. So 81's are bills. 80, 100 and 113, 4113 will be maybe like two bills. Two bills or something. Like, and I'm only risking some idiot money. Pennies to make two bills up. I'm dealing with risk management. But sometimes I go in on higher lot sizes and do it properly, but right now we're good, bruv. I'm not running down nothing. Like I said, two bills, a bills or three bills is cool right now, man. Soon you're gonna see me doing trades where one trade I'm making 2-3 grand. But we're starting you lot off small, because that's how I want you lot to start at. Start small. Start on a 0.01 and 0.02 just to get the hang of it. You know what I'm saying? For this thing, don't get it twisted. You're gonna have to lose a little bit of money to learn. You know what I'm saying? It's called tuition fee. So sometimes you're gonna have to lose some money to the market in order for you to work out what the market's doing. So the less you risk, the better for you. You know what I'm saying? So I'm showing you on smaller lot sizes. So that's what I want you lot to start off on. Don't just go and risking whole heap of money, bro. Even if you got it, don't go and risking whole heap of money, because you're learning, innit? You're gonna have to lose to win, blood. Sometimes. Like I said, it's called tuition fee. So when you're losing little crumbs, it's minor, because you're learning. You're paying to learn. But like I said, it cost me thousands to be able to get this the way I've got it right now. Thousands. But also make thousands effortlessly. So it was worth the thousands that were lost and that I paid for my course. But now I can sit down in the comfort of my office or wherever I am in this world and make a living, bro. Like I said, I got a motto, bro. If I made more than the working man, I'm good, bro. An ingredient. You know what I'm saying? I know I'm getting to the stage where I'm going to be making hundreds of thousands on these things, even millions. But it's stages, just like life. You don't come out your mother and you can just run. You have to start. You can't even move at first for 6 months to a year. Then you start crawling, and then you can start walking slowly. Like, you can't run until you're maybe 2, 3. Depends on the child as well. You know what I'm saying? So, same thing with life. Same thing with trading, I mean. You can't just get up and just run, blood. You have to creep, blood. So at the start, you have to lay there like a baby and make people wipe it down and change your body. You hear that? Yeah, blood. Then you start can creep around and them thing there. So it's stages, man. But yeah, we're at 49 now. And climbing. Patience does it, you know. As you look can see what I can see, but we're at 49 and climbing. I entered at 46. So let's just have some patience, man. Like I said, once it breaks 4,054, I believe this is gonna rip off. You know what I'm saying? Let's see, man. Let's see, bro. $51 watt now. 51. So I'm saying you lot can't even see it properly, but that shows you that I'm in the trade and where I entered. That blue line is where I entered. And you can see how it's flying up. But don't worry, man. Don't worry, I'm getting my MetaTrader on the screen soon, very soon. But you can see I'm in profit right now. But like I said, I only risked a small amount. You can see my lot size, innit? This is the lot size I want you lot to start. 0.01, 0.02, 0.05. Just start off small, bro. And don't be greedy, blood. You get me? Some people want to start off on... When I first started, I was going on some mad lot sizes, 0.4, 0.5, and it's losing hundreds, thousands, quick! Where man's got it, man just jumped in heavily, you get me? But that's not the way you learn, blood. I'll be real with you. I'm trying to teach you how to learn and how to risk, like risk management. The less you're risking, the better for you, because you're going to have to pay tuition fee. So the less you jump in this risking, is the better it's going to be for you, because sometimes you will lose. I'm at 51 right now. But like I said to you, if it goes to where I want it to go to, like 81, from 46 to 81, it's still money, bro. It's still a working day's man's wage, blood. And if it goes to 113, it's way more than a working man's wage. So a man ain't even risk much for that. That's what it's about. The less you risk for great rewards. Like my motto is from day one. I just made more than a man that's worked from 9 to 5, in the comfort of an office, just pressing a button on my phone and watching a chart. I won. But like I said to you, in a minute, I'll be showing you like thousands of pounds, I'm making thousands in one trade like this. If I went on a proper lot size, I'd be up. Would I jump in at 46, 52? If I went in on a decent lot size, this is grams right now, or hundreds right now. But where I'm going in small, because I'm trying to show you lot to go in small. Don't jump in this thing on the deep end. So I'm not going to show you lot on the deep end. But I'll get into how I normally trade. Because normally I'm on a 0.4, 0.5 lot size. By now, I'd have been jumped in 46, 52. I'd have been up 6, 7 bills. But I'm not going into it like that. I remember I'm teaching. I'm on the screen teaching. So I want to teach the people then how I want them to start off. And I want you to start off small because you're going to have to pay tuition fee to the market. It's part of the game. You're going to have to lose to understand it. So start off small and have your risk management about you. We're at 53 right now. We entered at 46. So man's got this, man. Come here seeing it enter that 46 and I'm at 53. If you was on the right lot size, like I said to you, if I was on my normal lot size, I'd be up 6, 7 bills right now. But where I'm starting off small, because I want you lot to start off small. The newcomers. I'm not a newcomer. I know what I'm doing, blood. So when I say I predict a thing and I say a thing, I know what it's going to do. But for the man them that just is starting, I want you to start off how I'm teaching you right now. That's why I'm teaching you small. Because I want you to start small. Yeah? Like I said, we're in a good position, man. It's above the support and it's moving. See it here? On the 5 minute, there's a trend line at 53. So it's gone from 46 to 53, 54, and it's having a bit of trouble. But it's going to break through this, man. This is mine. All these trend lines are mine. Might mess about here a bit, pull back a little bit, and then break through and go. But like I said, I got a trend line at 54, another one at 62, another one at 71, and another one at 78. And all these trend lines are representative of the sellers. That's why they're red. And with red candles are sells, yeah, or sells or shorts. Could either call anyone you want a sell or a short. Green candles are buy or long. See, it's broke it. The trend lines turned green. So now the buyers are in control of this trend line. Before, when it was red, the sellers were in control of it. Now it's breaking it. But it's a fight. It's a battle. Man, like Games of Thrones right now. You know what I'm saying? It's a battle. For the House of the Dragons, one of them, that movie there, with only battling guy, You know what I'm saying? It's a battle between the buyers and the sellers. See, the buyers took over, now the sellers are taking back over. So it could have a pullback. But we're here for it. We're in fright, we know about all this. We've been doing this for long. Buyers soon take over this, man. See the candle, it turned green already. Now it's gone back red. Like the buyers, like the sellers are saying, forget all that. We're pulling you back down, but it's a zang, bro. This is gonna go. See, it's back to green now. So the buyers have said, yo, you sellers, ease up yourself. And see, we have the biggest rare root. Come on, blood. It's a fight, blood. Big battle, blood. But I know the buyers have got this, man. So we just have patience and watch them take over as they do. Back at 54, we entered 46. We're almost at 100 pips, So when it goes to 56, I'm going to go break even and be in a risk-free trade. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, every time I get 100 pips, I'll go break even. Because 100 pips is enough to go break even. Before then, I'm not really in a break-even business. And then when you go break even, you're in a risk-free trade. You're not risking none of your money now. You're protecting your capital, as we do. I love protecting their things, more than anything. Whatever's mine, I'm protecting, bro. Yeah? With everything. Believe that. But it's a fight, man. Mind games, man. A whole heap of mind games on the chart, but like I said, we're in a wonderful position. Yeah, wonderful. You go back on the hour and you can see what I'm talking about. All right, this is the structure I'm talking about here. Yeah, it breaks this structure here.